Hi, this is Funballs Australia. We got the greatest new attraction here on the Gold Coast. It's the first one in Australia. You can run on water in bubbles. We are located at Robina Town Centre, one of the best shopping centres in Australia. We're right across from the event cinemas. We got the AMF bowling here. We got lots of restaurants, lots of things to do for everyone. We are here as well. We only charge $10 a ride. It's for kids from 5 years and up. Maximum weight 90 kilos. If you want any more information, you can go on our website. It's funballs.com.au. We have a direct number. You can call us 0755 590 985. Have a fantastic day, and we might see you here.